Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be about the rotate command. So today we will perform the rotate command. Let's suppose we have placed any object, or we have already placed a few objects, and we want to rotate any one object, any equipment, or any complete assembly. If we want to rotate, how can we rotate that? So let me just try this. I will show you. Let's suppose we are going to rotate this pump. Okay, let's try on this first. So there is a command. You need to take your cursor. You will find this rotate object. To activate this, you need to select this. Select nested because everything will get selected. Now this is the command rotate object. Just I click on rotate object. Now it is asking me on which direction I want to rotate. If I look on the isometric view, I can see there are three views, and you can take a idea from here also. This is blue one is highlighted one on which reference it is going to be rotate. This is elevation up and down. If you click here, so it will rotate with reference to north side. So now it is highlighted. Now if you click on this one, so let's suppose I selected this is up and down. So what I can do is I can see here this is up and down. I can select in this way also, like east west, or if I want to rotate now north south and up and down. Let's try up and down first. And now I need to give the angle here. Let's suppose I give it 180 degree. So what happened, with reference to this center point, this complete object has been rotated 180 degree towards the up and down direction. Okay, so now let's try changing the direction. Like we don't want to rotate towards the up and down. I want to rotate towards the any east west or north south direction. So I'll select this, select nested. I click on rotate command, rotate object. Now if I select north south, so what will happen, or let's suppose I selected east west, and the angle I give is 90 degree, and I just click enter. So now we can see complete our object has been rotated. How you can see. If you further want to, again go to this edit also. For rotate also we have 2-3 options. Go to edit toolbar and now click rotate object. Just I click rotate, it will say east west direction. I will rotate. Now I can go back to the previous location and I can give the minus 90 degree. We can give the values in positive, negative, any value. So just I give minus 90 and now it is here. Okay, so now I hope this rotate command is. Let's try in some other object. So guys, now let's talk about this complete piping assembly. Let's try this also. We can do any object, any assembly we can rotate actually. So just right click, select nested. Now go to rotate object command. I just click here. Now it is asking with reference to, I'll do this with reference to up and down. Now I just give this 90 degree first. Let's see how it will go. This complete assembly is rotated now. But now what is happening, this complete assembly is rotating with reference to this point. This point is automatically taken by, or maybe there will be some datum point on the equipment. So now if you don't want this to rotate, let me just come back. I'll give the minus 90 and I'll go back to my original position. Okay, minus 180. If I click, you can see it is completely rotating. Okay, so now I don't want this to rotate with reference to this point. I want to rotate with reference to some other point. Okay, I will show you how we can do that. That we will try on the both, like this assembly and this pump also. Let me quickly select this. I selected this. I'm in isometric view. I selected the rotate object command, and now when I am just giving any value, I can see by default it is coming some kind of XYZ coordinates is showing here, like XYZ directions. If I don't want to rotate with reference to this point, I want it to rotate with reference to any point. Let's suppose I will give the point here. I want this to rotate with reference to this point. Now, so there is one command is axis position point. I click here. This axis will move to here, this point. I give this point here. Now this complete assembly will rotate with reference to this point. Now if I give 180, what will happen? This point will be keep remain the same. Now this point is not changing. You understood? Okay. I hope it is clear, guys. Okay, let's quickly try one more time with reference to pump, what we have already changed. I selected this, right click, okay. But in general, when I am rotating this object, it is going with reference to here. But I don't want to rotate this. I want this point to be changed here. Do not change from this nozzle. So what I will do, I will rotate with reference to this point, nozzle point. Now if I'll give 180, it will rotate with reference to this. The position for nozzle will still remain the same. So guys, this is the way how we can rotate any object, and I hope this rotate command is clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can just comment on the videos, and if you want me to make any video on your any other topic in S3D, just do the comment section, do let me know. I will be happy to make a video on your request. Thank you so much guys, stay tuned.